buddy. So do you want this Paloma or do you want this Paloma? I'm sure you're used to getting drinks like this at your friend's birthday party. I'm not knocking the solo cup. We did over 100 events this year. We made Palomas just like this. Refrigerator ice, tequila about halfway to the top, and fill with squirt. It gets the job done. Now, if you want to be fancy and do it like the pros, use fresh juice. 1/2 ounce lime juice, just 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice. Use a better quality tequila. 2 ounces is what most balanced recipes call for. The sad thing is most bars and restaurants still have refrigerator ice. Give it a good hard shake. Use glass, not plastic. The better ice you use, the better your cocktail will be. Use a premium soda water, about 1 ounce. You're gonna pour it into the drink, not on top of the cocktail after you pour it. Wrong. Because this will help it mix as you pour it in. Garnish with a lime. Like I said, if you want to be fancy, you can put a grapefruit and dress it up. Yeah, that's really good. If you want to step up your cocktail making abilities, check out the description below and join Mixology Flaired University and learn how to make cocktails just like the pros do. But right now we're going to talk about how to make your Paloma extra special. The Paloma Especial was created by Julian.
Hi, I'm Julian Cox. Julian Cox.
And to make an expert Paloma, you have to use premium ingredients. Start with 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1/2 ounce of pamplemousse liqueur. This is by Garnish. 1 ounce of Cokie, and 1.5 ounces of premium Blanco tequila. And add premium ice, not that refrigerator stuff. Give it a good shake. But you're gonna wanna rim your glass with black salt. Add 1 ounce of Fever Tree grapefruit soda. It's excited to see me. Pour this magnificent cocktail over your premium ice and garnish with a grapefruit wedge. Don't forget the straw. Enjoy your cocktails. If you like whiskey videos, click right here. If you want to build your own home bar, click right here. We'll see you next time.